Mom don't eat, guys. Peanut butter jelly sandwich.
Yeah. That your favorite thing to eat in the morning?
Mm.
Maybe that's what Green Hib eats. You like Green Hib?
That's what Trey Cherry.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Is it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. How about James? He did not eat his cereal. Look.
I saw
He said it's soft. What are you eating, Bob?
toast. Look, Mom.
Me, Jaden?
Mm-hmm.
What's inside your sandwich or your bread, Jaden? What?
Peanut butter and jelly and peanut butter and jelly.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mixed together.
Did you pray? Maybe
Oh,
you did not.
it's sticky.
What?
That's sticky. It's
Yeah.
jelly is sticky.
Mm-hmm.
Mama, Sierra is really.
What are you gonna do later on?
We're gonna pack up.
You gonna pack up?
Yeah.
What? What you gonna pack up?
A lot of things.
Like what?
You know,
I don't know.
toys.
Huh?
Toys.
Toys?
Mm-hmm.
So what you wanna take? Toys?
Yeah.
Tea strawberries right now.
Strawberries ain't it gooder?
Yeah, it's yummy. Strawberries are yummy.
I put sugar in it. Brown sugar. You like that?
Yeah,
Which one you like? Brown or white?
brown.
Why?
Because it tastes better than white sugar.
Really?
Mhm.
I like the white sugar.
My mother always put brown sugar on them. That's why I liked it.
Hi guys, I'm gonna build a chef. Look.
Is that a ship?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a speedboat.
Doing great making that. It's a speedboat?
Yeah,
Who's the driver?
he is.
What's his name? Jaden?
I'm not done yet.
Almost done?
Yeah, now it's done. That's the engine. Speedboats has right here. That's the engine. Yeah, they have two engines.
Mm.
Yep.
What else?
They go really fast too.
Yeah.
There's steam out of it.
Oh.
That's a hole.
Oh, yeah. Who's the driver?
He is.
What's his name?
I don't know. No.
You don't know?
Mm-mm. I need to put him here. These are the things I'm going to take to the beach. And this bag.
Oh.
A swimming suit.
Yeah?
That a lot of pants.
You just dump it. You just dump it in there.
That's all my stuff.
Gosh. Wow. That's full of things. How about your flip-flops?
I don't know where. You didn't buy me one.
You want to wear your Crocs?
Yeah.
Or you want flip-flops?
I just want my Crocs.
Yeah?
That's all my stuff.
That's a lot to take.
These are the stuff I'm going to take to the beach. Got a towel, shirt, shirt, a short, swimming suit, shirt, a shirt, short, shirt, underwear, flip-flops.
Look, I put this by myself.
Yes, he folded that. Great job.
Yeah.
You did it yourself. I'm proud of you. You
Yeah.
folding it?
Yeah.
You folded it.
Yeah, I folded it all by myself.
Great job. Doing a great job. I didn't even tell you, and you did it yourself.
Yeah.
What did you say about practice?
Practice makes perfect.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah, this one don't have for breakfast.
That breakfast?
Yeah.
Still
Pickles.
breakfast?
Pickles.
Pickles and that's it?
Pickles and bread.
Okay.
A pickle sandwich.
Yeah. You like them, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You don't even put cheese on it?
No.
Why?
Oh my god. Cheese with pickles, I like them.
You like pickles, just pickles itself, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
They're a little sour.
You like sour things?
Oh yeah, a little sour.
You eat dried fish too, right? Uh-oh, put it back in a plate. Come on, it dropped down. Pick it up. Is it good?
Yeah.
Tell them what it tastes like.
Sour.
Sour. It's called sour sandwich.
And made out of pickles.
Pickle bread. What do you call it? Pickle sandwich.
Mm-hmm. Cookie ice cream.
Is that cookie ice cream?
Yeah.
What tastes like?
Cookie.
Huh, it's like a cookie? Huh?
Mm-hmm.
You like that kind?
my dad's garden. I don't know that.
Ampalaya.
Mommy, why do you need sticks for that?
Because I don't want anything to eat it.
What?
Those are long beans or balatong.
Balatong.
I said, you can tell them these are your daddy's tomatoes.
Oh.
Okay.
What's that one?
These are long beans.
Long beans. What's that one? That's
Long beans.
Long beans.
Yeah, actually I need to weeds this.
Weeds this?
Yeah, those are all my long beans.
What's that then?
Those are all long beans. They are the same.
Beans
This is
too.
squash.
Squash.
Yeah. Can you say kalabasa?
Calabasa.
Okay.
This one. It has a big leaf on it.
Taro.
Taro.
Yeah, or gabi.
Oh, Gabby.
Yeah.
And that's a very...
Kamote or potato.
Kamote or potato.
Very
Long beans.
I've been pulling weeds.
These are my daddy's tomato plants. There's more tomatoes up here too.
Yeah.
They're always flowers. But
Blooming
yeah.
flowers.
These are okra.
Yeah, okra.
I'm going to end this video now. Like, share, comment, subscribe me if you didn't subscribe me. Thanks for watching my video.